summer in Scotland. It's a really horrible day here in Blairgowrie. The rain's come down, but thankfully we're going to be filming indoors today. And I believe somewhere at the back of this shop is a chocolate factory, which I'm quite looking forward to.
So we've got some chocolate making set up for you today.
Oh, you could do it, right.
So we're going to have raspberry truffles, of course, from Blairgowrie. We're using our raspberries, local raspberries. So you'll be able to taste them later on. You can take some away with you.
I have to warn you though, out of my account anywhere near chocolate, I end up covering myself in it like some kind of dirty protest. So
That's okay, well, we've seen mess of chocolate before, so it won't be unusual. Grab a truffle.
Okay.
And you're going to dunk it, but keep hold of it into the chocolate. So that's it. Excellent.
Okay.
That's it. Can you feel it nice and warm?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Now you can roll that between your hands. And I'm going to put a tray right next to you, so you can actually lay it on there.
How was the quality of that truffle?
Brilliant. Absolutely great. And I'm going to put some nice sprinkles on the top of it.
Make it look nice. Okay, so I'll just dunk that in there like that.
That's it.
The smell is fantastic.
It is.
So, are you born and bred?
I am. Probably spent about first 18 years in Blairgowrie, and then I was away for probably about 18 years in the Lake District and Spain, and then it's just the best place to come back to after all that time. So,
is it? What brought you back here?
It feels like home to me. I mean, I think Spain was probably, my Scottish blood couldn't cope with the heat in Spain, but it was a great experience. But I'm glad to be back in Scotland with all the weather, everything that comes with it.
Especially today.
Yeah.
Am I still covering these okay?
Yeah, you do.
I think I've covered myself quite a bit.
Stop whenever you want.
Do you want to shake your hand? No. I'm terrified in case I drop one and then can't find it again, because my chocolate and my gloves are getting so thick I might not feel it again. If it all goes wrong at BBC, I'll come back and be a glamorous assistant.
Yeah, absolutely.
But there's a big danger I might eat all your profit though, so
yeah.
Maybe I'm not the person to have to. That was great, but it's quite funny because your hands are getting stiffer. It's like working with clay or mud. Do you want your lens clean, James?